Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, in my past videos, I have revealed in one of my videos, one of the guy actually made from $35,000 converted to $35 million. That is like 1,000x. That is 100,000% increment within 2.5 years within this crypto market. And I revealed at that time what is the strategy this guy used to actually generate something like this. And the similar strategy, something like this, whether can be replicated in present times or not. So make sure you watch the video completely till the end because I'm going to talk about again the same strategy that guy used. And let me tell you, all the check marks are right now with the suitable conditions in which something like this can be made. Like you need to be having the best utility coins that are low market cap and that are highly crushed due to the bear market. And all the scenarios checking right now, we have the depths of the bear market. We have a lot of great utility tokens, and then just wait for the next bull market. And then ensuring that the amount of money, I mean, yes, I have already covered 1,000x potential coin stacks, but that is like already it's like $500 million market cap. So, I mean, we are talking about a great utility and a real world sort of a thing where big money can be like somebody can even put $1 million into a stack, but a coin which is just like $1 million market cap, you cannot put $1 million. You are going to increase the price 10 times, you yourself, and everybody is going to dump on you. So I'm going to be talking about those particular coins, and then the risk-free investment, because here we are talking about you invest probably $1,000 divided into these kind of coins that I'm going to talk about, and wait for the next bull run probably to convert those $1,000 into $1 million. We have a shot at it, and definitely even if like you're 50% down on $1,000, let's say in the worst case scenario, I mean it's nothing much. So there is a very high risk to reward ratio with this fertile environment right now. So make sure you watch the video again, guys, completely till the end. So what is the strategy that this guy used who generated $35 million from $35,000? Basically, in 2018 bear market, he picked the coins that he actually believed that can change the world. And out of a lot of things, like he happened to invest into 7 coins, $5,000 each. The coins were as similar as like the BNB that was valued 35 cents at that time, the Phantom like 1 or 2 cents at that time. You had Luna. I mean, obviously Luna initially, I mean, it actually took off really well. And right now, like obviously people who were investing at $100, they got collapsed. But earlier, a lot of people made a lot of money. I mean, the similar kind of coins like the WeChain, the Link, these kind of coins, this guy, like based on the fundamentals, with a very low market cap and crushed at that time, and 2.5 years down the line, 2021 bull run, those $35,000, like the portfolio is literally converted to $35 million, like approximately $36 million. And the best investment was $5,000 into BNB, 35 cents converted into $500. That is like, I mean, you're converting $10 million. I mean, $5,000 converted to $10 million just out of BNB. Now, why the similar kind of scenario that you have right now is that you have the depths of the bear market. Can we fall further? Definitely yes. But we have already fallen. A lot of coins, altcoins are like already 99% down. I mean, some of the great utility coins like Matic, I mean, just imagine it went till 30 cents and right now, like it just jumped back to 60 cents. Obviously, great utility. Facebook is building onto, I mean, 1 billion users adopting to Matic. And already like it's a low cap as compared to the Ethereum, Solana, and so much of the other coins. In such a scenario, in such a times, like you have a metaverse coming, you have a gaming coming in the future, and definitely we can expect the next bull run to be coming. So what do you need to do? Like simply, if you bring it down, probably how do you invest $1,000 to give it a shot that you might be able to make $1 million? By the way, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. So again, What you're gonna do? Probably you figure out and pick the best of the four coins that you believe can actually go 1000x from here. To go 1000x from here, what are all things that you need? You need a great community, an expanding community, and a great utility, right? And the coin has is really down right now, probably 95% or something. I mean, it already took off earlier, but right now it's very much down. And even after being down, it should be having a low market cap. Let's say a coin like one of the coin that I know of, like it is having $2 million market cap. Just imagine $2 million market cap. I mean, 1000x would require market cap to turn to 2 billion, which is very achievable. And given the utility that coin is having the gaming, metaverse, games being built onto it consistently, and it already, I mean, at the peak of its bull run last year, I mean, it was 50x from right now current price. So anyways, like when we are talking that the peak of the next bull run, when it comes, like we are talking 50x from here. So those kind of coins you need to pick, and then just because we are already at the depth, yes, plus minus a little bit, we'll be having a little bit crash, more crash. I mean, you never know what is going to happen. $250, four coins each, $1,000 invested, and then just forget about it. Yes, your trading account is something else. I mean, you do a lot of other activities, whatever that you do, you do. This one, you invest $250, four coins, and just forget about it. Wait for the next bull run. That you are not going to sell it no matter what until the Bitcoin crosses that $100,000 mark. Probably by the next halving, you need to give the 3 years time frame, and you need to be willing to risk that. Yes, this project might be surviving. So let me show you just one of the coins. I mean, you need to be doing the research on your own, guys, because this is the best scenario. You need to be learning how to fish, because the scenarios will be changing. A lot of people might be promoting any of the coins, right? They might have got sponsorship, so you cannot just take word for it. So one of the coin that I was talking about is this one, Nakamoto. This is like right now, I mean 9 cents, like 10 cents. It is at $3 million market cap. At the peak of its run last year, it had $5 to $6. Like this was the value. So we are talking 50x from here. Now here's the thing. I mean, this is just one of the case. Like it is $3 million. A lot of coins are less than $3 million. But the point is, it has a great utility as per me. Why? Because it is actually building the game, and not just one game. It is already having like 14, 15 games. An expanding community. Players are actually playing onto it and earning onto it. I have played onto it, right? It even has a metaverse. So, and when we are talking about like probably, let's say, $200 million being put into it, like instantly it will be like $1 billion market cap. $1 billion market cap from here, we are talking about 300x. And if like, even if like this gets released, I mean, there is a possibility that you can get a shot at it, right? So that is why like this could be one of my pick. Now the second pick, if I'll mention, that is the only second. I mean, I'll only mention two picks. You guys can decide for the other picks. The second pick, if I had to choose, is this one, the hack mitigation technology. I mean, yes, it has risen so much. It was earlier, like just few days back, it was $9 million market cap. But this one, like, this is actually the first technology that is preventing the hacking to happen, and it has served real world purposes. Just few days back, a few weeks back, $80 million hack happened onto a coin, and this technology actually reversed that $80 million from being hacked. So this $80 million was given back to the respective team that was hacked. Just imagine. So definitely I would assume that it is going to survive by the next bull run. And by the next bull run, I mean, if not 1000x, like 1000x would be $10 billion from here. I mean, if like all the cryptocurrencies, just imagine if they adopt to it, all the cryptocurrencies ecosystem, just to prevent the hacking, and it expands its operation, probably we can be talking about a $5 billion market cap. I'm talking about the extremes, guys. It can even be 10x, 15x, 20x, 100x. So definitely this could be one of my pick. So similarly, you will need to find your own, trust into it, put your money into it, then just forget about it. Wait till the next bull run and see for the surprise. What is there in the store? So here is your chance right now. This bear market is the gift. Why? Because the last year bull market, everything was so much inflated. Like Nakamoto coins, you're investing at $2. I mean, how can you expect like a coin which is already $100 million? You cannot just expect it to become $100 billion. But a coin which is $2 million market cap, you can expect it to actually go to $2 billion. So right now we do have the opportunity of a lifetime, guys, and I hope that you found the video helpful. Please comment down below for what do you like about this video. What do you think about this strategy? Your picks, your suggestions. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you like the video, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.